Okay guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial I will show you how to set an email account on your Android. You want to add an email account on your Android. You go to your settings, you go to your account, Google account. You can see Google account here. You can see, click on your Google account. You click on your Google account, you can just manage your Google account here, but I have another account here. Click here and you can add another account. When you add another account, it's going to take you directly to your Google. So Google is going to verify if it is you. Just use your password to continue. Use your password to continue. Google is checking your info. You click on your email that you wanted to add. When you click on the email that you wanted to add, I'll just click on one random email. Now I've already used it. Click on next. You can see they say that this account already exists on your device. So once you put the email you want to use, just click on next. It's going to bring you to another ask. Let me see, or you could click on create account. You can also create account here. So for personal use, for work, for my business, you can click on for personal use, and this is it. You're going to create a Google account, link to your phone, and it's very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.